All right, what's up, guys? It is a nice, beautiful, sunny day out here. Rolling green hills. For the meanwhile, at least, I didn't get much rain this year, so here it is this time of year, and it's 74 degrees, sun shining. Technically, springtime now, but hey, I'll take it. So we got a unboxing for you guys today. It's some more Ryobi One Plus stuff, which who's not a fan of that, right? It's actually the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7/8 piece if you want to cast or count the saw blade and drill bit. But it's the kind of older style brush tools. It's the 5.5-inch circular saw, and then the non-brushless, non-hammer drill, just standard drill, but it's kind of the updated model. It's part number P1816. It says it has up to 500 inch-pounds of torque, which, hey, that's not actually too shabby. It's going to be my first Ryobi drill, actually. The part number for this combo kit is P1816, and Home Depot had a really good deal on it. This basically broke down to 50 bucks, like $49 and some change, and you got 2 tools, the circular saw, the drill, 2 1.5 amp hour batteries, the newer, smaller fast charger. It's slightly slower than the green charger, but it's like a medium charger. You get the bag, saw blade, 2-ended drill bit or screw bit, and even an Allen wrench key for the blade. All that for 50 bucks. I'm actually going to be doing a comparison with this newer style charger and the old green charger, the black charger, and the supercharger, the 6-port charger, now that I have them all. All right, let's open this up and see what's in the box. Got these zip snips ready to go. Let's do it like that. I'm not even gonna really need them, but hey, they're here, nice and slow. Oh yeah. Could have went faster. I was taking my time. Okay, so we open it up. Missed some tape there. I actually cut that second layer of cardboard. Caught that. What do we got in here? A bag. A bag in a box. The art on the box, pretty good. And yeah, that's that. So let's see what's actually in here. Okay, look at that. Neatly packaged. Let's check it out. First is the charger. Again, it's the newer compact style. It's got the lights on in the front, and it's even got a place to hang it. Only thing that I'm not a huge fan of these style, it's got this big wall wart adapter. So, plugging it in, it takes up multiple outlets or whatever. They're kind of annoying. Kind of wish it was all just integrated into here, but hey, it is what it is. So we got that. We got the batteries. Oh, and they come linked together even. They're 2 1.5 amp hour batteries. There's one of them. There's no gauge on these. Didn't think there was, and there's not. They're part number P189, and it says they're 27 watt hours. If anyone knows what that means. It's basically just math, the voltage times the amperage. Just a way of knowing the actual capacity of these batteries, no matter the voltage and everything. And again, same thing, P189. Have no way of knowing if they're charged or not, because there's no gauge, but we'll throw them on the charger. Then instruction manuals, of course, never enough of those. Else down here, and the drill itself. Okay. Love that smell. It's actually got a nice compact size. Good feel in the hand, feels quality. It's got the magnet holder down here, the two-sided bit. That'll just lock onto that. That's good. And then can go right there. It's got a little light down here. Looks like a 24 position clutch, including the drill setting. Feels good. It's 2-speed too. The little click switch up here. That feels pretty good. Let's put a battery in it, see what it's like. See if it works. Oh yeah. It's got a little of that new oil burning smell on it, but it doesn't really kick your hand that much, but these batteries might be low. You know, in some drills, and they're real powerful, they kind of rock your hand like that. This doesn't do that too bad, but I'm sure these batteries need a charge. And then just cardboard here. Here's the actual saw. And more cardboard. Here's the blade for the saw, which is really small. And this bag, which is actually a quality bag. It's got padding on the sides and the bottom. Fairly heavy duty zippers. Seems like it could take a decent beating. And let's check out this saw itself. This I really like. Super small. It's not a huge bulky saw that you got to lug around with you just for quick little jobs. Let's put a battery in that. Let's see. It's all working. Okay, and it does. Obviously there's no blade in it for safety, but it feels quality. I don't know if this is, the shoe is steel or aluminum, but it's black, and then the measurements are in white, so it's easy to read. Doesn't hurt your eyes as much. It's even got a place to put like a saw guide, rip guide. It didn't come with one though, I don't believe, but it's there if you have it already or buy it aftermarket. This is to adjust the blade depth. That's a little sticky, but feels pretty good. Got a high quality feel in the hand actually, especially for what I paid for this. No complaints at all. It's even got the spot here that holds the Allen key. Nice little setup for sure. So let me explain why I got this, other than the obvious, you know, price difference. I actually have the 7.5 inch or 7.25 inch brushless circular saw, and for just small stuff, let me put this drill over here. This thing's, you know, kind of overkill. You look at the size difference, just there to there, there to there. No doubt this is more powerful and capable, but 90% of the time, this is going to be adequate for at least the stuff I'm doing. I'm sure this will do a faster, cleaner job, but hey, the price was right on this, so just decided to jump on it. So there's that, and I wanted to Ryobi drill just as like a baseline comparison, because my only other actual drill right now is this DeWalt, which you can see they're actually very similar in size. The DeWalt is slightly smaller. Put them this way. Very slightly smaller, just shorter, but lengthwise they're pretty much tied. Gonna do some comparisons with these two. See, they're both brushed. This is a hammer drill and this is not, but this is, you know, newer, and I've actually used this one quite a bit, so it's got a little wear and tear on it. I keep it clean, but I've used it. So yeah, we'll do some comparisons with those, see which is which, comparisons with these, and then the charger as well. All right, that's gonna do it for now. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos just like this, some DIY stuff, everything in between. Thank you, bye. As a quick little note, I just wanted to do a kind of a sound comparison between this 5.5 inch and this 7-inch saw. So a disadvantage, kind of wanted to do two extremes. This has got the 9 amp hour battery that's fully charged, And this has got the 1.5 that I don't know, it's dead or fully charged or what. But just a little sound comparison of the motors. We'll do the smaller one first. Okay. Kind of sounded like it was grinding, but I think this just because this is loose. And then we'll do this guy. Okay, that's actually a big difference. Just one more compression. Just by the sound alone, you can see hear the power. All right, cool. Thanks, guys. Tune in next time. Bye.